Ever wondered the story behind the colors of bell peppers? Our journey today takes us on a vibrant, flavorful adventure from farm to plate with these colorful culinary stars. In the lush, verdant fields, the story of bell peppers begins. Seeds are sown in the fertile earth, promising a bounty of brightly colored peppers. As the seeds germinate, tender shoots push their way towards the sun, gradually growing into sturdy pepper plants. With the passage of time, delicate white flowers bloom, eventually giving way to tiny green fruits. These are the bell peppers in their infancy, still green and unripe. As the sun pours its energy into the plants, the peppers start their transformation. From green, they shift to yellow, then orange, and finally a vibrant red. This transformation is not merely aesthetic, it also alters the flavor profile of the bell peppers. The green ones have a slightly bitter yet fresh taste. The yellow and orange ones are sweeter, while the red ones are the sweetest and also pack the most nutritional punch. Once ripe and ready, the bell peppers are harvested with care. Each one is hand-picked, ensuring the highest quality. From the farm, they journey to the markets, their vibrant colors and fresh aroma attracting food lovers from all walks of life. In the kitchen, bell peppers shine in a myriad of dishes. Sliced thin, they add a crunch to salads and stir-fries. Roasted red peppers lend a smoky sweetness to sauces and dips. The green ones, slightly hollowed out, make the perfect vessel for delicious stuffings. And let's not forget the classic bell pepper rings, gracing pizzas and sandwiches with their vibrant presence. But the story of bell peppers doesn't end on the plate. These colorful fruits are laden with health benefits. They are packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C, and are a good source of dietary fiber. Plus, they are low in calories, making them a healthy choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. So the next time you see a bell pepper, remember the journey it has taken. From a small seed in the soil to a vibrant, flavorful ingredient on your plate, bell peppers truly are a culinary marvel. To summarize, bell peppers start their life as green fruits, gradually changing color as they ripen. Each color represents a different stage of ripeness and has its own unique flavor. Hand-picked from the fields, they make their way to our kitchens, where they star in a variety of dishes. Not only are they delicious, but they are also packed with nutritional benefits, making them a worthy addition to any meal. That's it for the Bell Pepper Saga. A story of growth, transformation, and vibrant flavor. A story as colorful as the peppers themselves.